Good morning, viewers. Canlaon volcano looks very clear this morning. It's never that clear when it erupts. Well, on today's video, I'm heading into the city, where we'll take a look at all the new condominiums there. One Manhattan seems to be open as well now. One Regis and two Regis are finished. We'll also be heading downtown. We're heading around Central Market. We'll also be heading around the public plaza. Then we'll be heading up Latson Street and taking a look at the progress of the new Robinsons Mall. And here we are, Megaworld. They have a new plaza which has just opened here. Plaza de Masskara. It's the Masskara Plaza. And it's an ever-changing skyline here at Megaworld. And this is the new plaza, which has just opened. And there's plenty of little pop-up restaurants and coffee places. It's early in the morning. Hardly any of them are open at the moment. It's only 7 AM. It's a good place to stop for coffee. And this area, this gets really busy at night with food carts and food stands, but they don't come until the late afternoon. So in the morning, it's a great little bike track. By 5 PM, this road will be full. And this is a new place opening soon, the Yard. I think it's going to be a leisure area and a few eateries. And now we'll take a shortcut through Landers and go and look at the condominiums. One Regis and two Regis have been here for a while now. One Manhattan looks finished now and ready to go. And this one is Herald Park Suites. This one on the corner. And this is two Regis. It's got a new coffee shop here now called Karimi, and a gym. It gets busy in the afternoons. But it's looking good down here now, isn't it? And this is the Kingsford. You can buy a unit there. But it's all coming together now, Megaworld. That's the new plaza, the Plaza de Masskara. I've seen on the internet that it was open, but it's not this morning, maybe later. They seem to be finishing off a lot of the grouting on the tiles. Here's one Regis. got a new coffee shop underneath. And just behind it is One Manhattan. Looks like there's going to be some kind of a deli, sandwich place. Could even be a Bob's down at the bottom there. But I like the look of this one. One Manhattan has nice looking balconies as well. And a nice entrance. Hidden round the back of Megaworld. Of all the condos, I think I prefer One Manhattan. They have little outdoor balconies, unlike the one next door, One Regis. And that's Megaworld, guys, and the new Plaza. I'm sure they'll use that at the Masskara festival. And that's Megaworld, the Upper East. Accident. Once you leave Megaworld, you're back in the Philippines. Megaworld is like a different planet. Next stop, downtown. Here's Central Market. Let's take a quick tour around Central Market. And now the public plaza. San Sebastian Cathedral. Very quiet there this morning. Now at Ayala Mall Central. And here are the Ayala Condos. And they have morning Zumba here at Ayala. And we're back on Laxon Street. We're heading up to Robinson's Mall now, which has been under renovation for quite a long time. It looks fantastic what they're doing up there. We'll see you in a few minutes. There's the new night market. Not open yet. And there's a new KFC at Ramos Junction. And they've built that really quickly. The Itinerary building. And Robinson's is just up here on the left. Robinson's Place Mall. One of the first malls in the city. Here it is. They've been expanding this. The mall is still open, but it looks like it's almost doubled in size. The whole of the front car park is now a 3-story mall. It's huge. Big glass frontage onto the main road. It's going to be nice when it's finished, that. A huge expansion. So a lot of changes in the city. It's July 2026 and Canton Volcano is looking very clear today. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.